guys, Billy here from Mid Digital Solutions, coming at you from the lovely Oppo studio, and I'm here looking at the new Find X5 range. And for this video I want to look at the Find X5 Lite and why this might be the right phone for your business, and it's definitely something worth considering. So first off, you've got the triple 64 megapixel camera setup on the back with a wide and ultra wide and a telephoto lens. So if you've got employees that need to take photos out on stuff like on site, or they use their phone for social media, something like this, you get fantastic clarity with the shot and plenty of options as well. If you're taking a photo of something right up close, you've got that telephoto lens to get really up there in the detail, or you've got the wide angle lens if you need to take a picture of the whole site. So the next feature I think is going to be really useful for businesses in particular is PC Connect. So PC Connect is a way of connecting your device and transferring files wirelessly through your PC. This is a little demo of how PC Connect looks when it's in action. You can control the phone entirely from the PC, as well as drag and drop transfer files from apps within your phone straight to the PC. It couldn't be easier. And finally, this phone is going to be great for IT managers. They will thank you for getting this phone. Honestly, it's such a fantastic setup. You've got 256 gigs worth of storage. You've got tons of security options built into the phone as well. And it's got this really interesting feature called RAM Boost that takes some of that 256 gigs worth of storage and uses it as virtual RAM for the phone. You can turn this feature on or off or dial it anywhere between 2 gigabytes of RAM right up to 5 gigabytes of RAM for extra on top of the 8 gig that's already in the phone, which just keeps the phone nice and quick and speedy whilst you're using it, and it's not going to get slow on you over time. So they are some of the features why I think you should consider the Find X5 Lite as your business's next phone purchase. I've been Billy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.